Priyanka Chopra. I was very upset when my twin daughters were sent home from school with a letter saying that they were to come back only after they were knit and lice-free. They apparently got infested with lice when they were on a field trip with their school. I decided to do everything possible to help them get rid of lice, to enable them to get back to school as soon as possible. I got in touch with our local pharmacist and other mothers to find the fastest remedy to get rid of the lice. Almost all the people I spoke to said that chemical treatments were usually not effective. In fact, some of the manufacturers of these products were selling dangerous and useless remedies by preying on the desperation of mothers who were anxious to help their children get rid of nits and lice quickly. Some mothers had even resorted to using stuff like pet shampoo, petrol and insecticide spray on their children's hair, simply out of their desperation to get quick results. It was amazing to find that insecticides and pesticides are usually the active ingredients in my shampoos and treatments, in spite of the fact that it has been proven time and time again that these types of chemicals can create complications because of their carcinogenic nature. I also discovered that continued application of these medications have been proven to be dangerous. In addition, lice develop a resistance to these chemicals, making them completely useless. After spending large amounts of money, many mothers started experimenting with alternative solutions and found that some of these actually helped them in their fight against nits and lice. I have collected some of these homemade remedies which were shared with me and have published them in my e-book. Most of these remedies are made with mixtures of natural essential and base oils, which have no side effects. While most of the ingredients will be available from local stores, I have provided links to online stores on the internet, which will help you purchase all these natural ingredients easily. You can buy my ebook for a low price of just $19 $95 only. I am so confident of the effectiveness of the solutions provided by me that I am offering you a 60-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. So go ahead and purchase my ebook with all confidence and see the amazing results you will get within just weeks.